High above us, in the atmospheric river of air currents, a complex dance is unfolding. A weather pattern known as the Rex block is taking shape, a phenomenon that can significantly influence our weather. Imagine two spinning tops, one over the western United States and the other over the East Coast, each playing a crucial role in this atmospheric ballet. The western top, a high-pressure system, is spinning clockwise, creating a dome of sinking air that generally brings clear skies and calm conditions. Meanwhile, the eastern top, a low-pressure system, spins counterclockwise, drawing in air and often leading to cloud formation and precipitation. These spinning tops, or Rex blocks, are about to change our weather dramatically, acting like atmospheric roadblocks. Rex blocks are known for their stubborn persistence, often stalling weather systems for days or even weeks, leading to prolonged periods of unusual weather. This particular Rex block is expected to shift eastward, pushing warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico northward, setting the stage for potential weather upheaval. This warm, moist air mass will collide with cooler, drier air from the west, creating a volatile mix ripe for severe weather events. The clash of these air masses is like mixing baking soda and vinegar. The result is explosive, with the potential for dramatic weather changes. In this case, the explosion comes in the form of powerful thunderstorms, capable of producing large hail, damaging winds and tornadoes, making it crucial to stay informed and prepared. The eastern United States has already gotten a taste of the severe weather brewing. Over the past few weeks, the region has been battered by a series of powerful storms, each more intense than the last. These powerful storms have lashed the region with heavy rain, hail, and high winds, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. Trees have been uprooted, power lines downed, and homes damaged. While not directly linked to the developing Rex block, these storms serve as a stark reminder of the volatile nature of spring weather. The atmosphere is charged and the conditions are ripe for severe weather events. These storms are fueled by the same ingredients that will contribute to the severe weather threat in the plains: warm, moist air and atmospheric instability. The combination of these elements creates an environment where storms can develop rapidly and with great intensity. The difference lies in the wind patterns. In the east, winds have been primarily from the south, ushering in warm, humid air. This influx of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico has been a key factor in the development of these storms. As the Rex block shifts, winds will begin to shift, drawing in cooler, drier air from the west and creating the perfect recipe for tornadoes. This change in wind direction is critical, as it sets the stage for more severe weather. This shift in wind patterns is crucial. It sets the stage for the formation of supercell thunderstorms, the type of storms most likely to produce tornadoes. Supercells are unique in their structure and behavior, making them particularly dangerous. Supercells are characterized by their rotating updraft, a column of rising air that can spin violently, forming a funnel cloud. This rotation is what can lead to the development of tornadoes, making supercells a significant threat during severe weather outbreaks. This year's tornado season is already shaping up to be one of the most active in recent history. Experts are pointing to several factors, including the changing Rex block pattern and unusually warm sea surface temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico, as contributing to the increased tornado threat. Over the past 15 years, tornado activity has fluctuated, with some years experiencing above-average activity and others relatively quiet. This year, however, has already witnessed a significant increase in tornado reports, particularly in the southern and central United States. The number of tornadoes rated EF2 or higher, those capable of causing significant damage, is also above average. Scientists believe that climate change may be playing a role in the increasing frequency and intensity of severe weather events, including tornadoes. While more research is needed to fully understand the complex relationship between climate change and tornadoes, the trend is concerning. As the Rex block continues its eastward shift, the focus turns to the heart of Tornado Alley, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska. These states are no strangers to severe weather, but the current forecast suggests a heightened risk of tornadoes, severe storms, and flooding in the coming days. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm and tornado watches for much of the region, urging residents to be prepared. The combination of warm, moist air, atmospheric instability, and shifting wind patterns creates a volatile environment where supercell thunderstorms can thrive. These storms have the potential to produce tornadoes with little warning, It's essential for residents to have a plan in place and to stay informed about weather conditions. Knowing what to do during a tornado warning could mean the difference between life and death. Section 5. The anatomy of a tornado: wind, rain, and destruction. Tornadoes are one of nature's most awe-inspiring and terrifying phenomena. Their sheer power and unpredictability make them a subject of both fascination and fear. Tornadoes, often called twisters, are violently rotating columns of air that extend from a thunderstorm to the ground. These powerful forces of nature can form in a matter of minutes, leaving little time for those in their path to seek shelter. They can occur with little warning and pack incredible destructive power. The aftermath of a tornado can be devastating, with entire communities left in ruins and landscapes forever altered. The formation of a tornado is a complex process, but it begins with the collision of warm, moist air and cool, dry air within a thunderstorm. This interaction sets the stage for the birth of a tornado. This clash creates instability in the atmosphere, causing the air to rise rapidly. As the warm air rises, it cools and condenses, forming towering storm clouds that can reach heights of over 50,000 feet. If wind shear is present, meaning winds are changing speed and direction with height, the rising air can begin to rotate, forming a funnel cloud. Wind shear is a critical ingredient in the development of tornadoes, as it helps to organize the storm's rotation. When this funnel cloud touches the ground, it becomes a tornado. The point at which the funnel makes contact with the earth is often marked by a sudden increase in wind speed and a dramatic drop in pressure. Tornadoes can vary in size and intensity, with wind speeds ranging from 65 to over 300 miles per hour. Some tornadoes are narrow and short-lived, while others can be over a mile wide and stay on the ground for more than an hour. The Enhanced Fujita Scale, or EF scale, rates tornadoes based on their estimated wind speeds and the damage they cause. This scale helps meteorologists and emergency responders assess the severity of a tornado and plan for recovery efforts. Section 6. Flood warning: when the waters rise. While tornadoes often steal the headlines, flooding is another significant threat associated with severe weather. The same storms that produce tornadoes can also dump torrential rainfall, overwhelming rivers and streams and causing widespread flooding. Flooding can occur gradually, as rivers and streams slowly rise above their banks, or it can happen quickly, with flash floods occurring within minutes of heavy rainfall. Flash floods are particularly dangerous because they can catch people off guard, stranding motorists and inundating homes and businesses. It's important to remember that even a small amount of moving water can be dangerous. Never attempt to drive or walk through flooded roadways. The depth of the water can be deceiving, and the current can easily sweep away vehicles and pedestrians. Section 7. Staying safe in Tornado Alley. Living in Tornado Alley means being prepared for the unexpected. When severe weather threatens, seconds count. Having a plan in place and knowing what to do during a tornado warning can save lives. Every household should have a designated storm shelter or safe room. This should be an interior room on the lowest level of the house, away from windows and exterior walls. Basements, storm cellars, and interior bathrooms or closets are good options. During a tornado warning, seek shelter immediately. If time permits, grab a helmet or other protective headgear and a blanket or sleeping bag for added protection from flying debris. Stay tuned to local news or a weather radio for updates. Section 8. Be prepared, stay informed. Weathering the storm. The threat of severe weather is a reality for those living in the Plains region. However, by understanding the dangers, being prepared, and staying informed, we can weather the storm. Remember to have multiple ways to receive weather alerts, such as a weather radio, smartphone app, or local news. Know the difference between a watch and a warning. A watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather, while a warning means severe weather is imminent or occurring. Stay aware of your surroundings and be prepared to take action if a tornado warning is issued. By staying vigilant and informed, we can help keep ourselves and our loved ones safe during severe weather events.